Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss another important and interesting data type in Python, that is dictionary. Dictionary is an ordered collection of key value pairs. What is dictionary in our regular context? If you take a dictionary, what it will have? It will have a word and its meaning, right? And if you take a telephone directory, right, you take a phone number and the name corresponding to that phone number. So what is dictionary here is it's a collection of key value pairs where key is actually it's acting as the reference and the value is the value corresponding to that key. Now you see, every value in the dictionary can be accessed by providing its key, like providing or getting the meaning of a word by providing the word as the key, right? So if you want to get the meaning of a word, you have to provide the meaning as input, right? So like that, if you want to get a value of the dictionary, then you have to pass the key as its reference. And dictionary is a composite data type. Why it's called composite data type? Because it's a collection of data elements. It's a collection of data objects, and that objects are of different types. So your a key can be of any type. It can be string, or it can be integer, or it can be float, right? Or it can be character. Like that, your value can also be of different types. So since this dictionary is made of different data objects of different types, it's considered as a composite data type. Now next, dictionary is having three important characteristics. First one, it's mutable. So what is mutability? The dictionaries can be modified. That means the existing values of dictionaries can be modified or updated. So they are not restricting you to update the existing content of the dictionary. Second thing, the dictionaries can grow and shrink as needed. That means they can expand and they can shrink as we need it. That means we can add new elements, or we can remove existing elements, or we can delete existing elements. That is supported. Third one is they can be nested. That means one dictionary can contain another dictionary, or one dictionary can be contained in another dictionary. So these are the three important characteristics of dictionaries. Now, let us define the dictionary. So let us enter into programming the dictionaries. As we discussed, dictionary is a collection of key value pairs, right? And this key value pairs should be enclosed within set of curly braces. When you are coming for programming, or when you are coming for write a program for dictionary creation, all these key value pairs should be enclosed within set of double quotes. And every key value pair should be separated from another key value pair by using comma. So a set of key value pairs enclosed within curly braces separated by comma. Now every key value pair is given in this format. So a key colon its value. So key is the reference and colon then the value corresponding to that key. This is the form of providing the dictionaries. This is the form of defining the dictionaries. Now, the value and key can be of any type. Already, as we discussed, the value and keys can be of any type. Now, syntax of creating a dictionary. So, first one, a dictionary name, and this dictionary name is the user defined name or user preferred name equal to. Then within set of uh, curly braces, you can mention all the key value pairs separated by comma, all the key value pairs separated by comma. Now this key value pair is given in the form as we discussed, a key and a value, a key and a value. See, a key and a value, and this key and value are separated by a colon symbol. So this is how we can define the dictionary. Now let us move to create a simple dictionary. Let us start with empty dictionary. So what is empty dictionary? A dictionary without content is called empty dictionary. So now let us create an empty dictionary. For example, let me create a dictionary, my underscore dict, and this is the name of the dictionary, and this dictionary is a collection of key value pairs enclosed within set of curly braces. But here this dictionary is the empty dictionary, so nothing should be there between this curly or within this curly braces. Now let us print this. So print my underscore dict, Now if you run this, will it print anything? Yeah, it will print. What it will print? It will print set of curly braces without a content. That means the dictionary is there, but no content is there in that dictionary. Now let us move to next thing. How to create the dictionary with a content, right? Let us discuss two important methods. First method is we can mention this key value pairs as we see, right? In this example, for example, a key value, key then colon a value, right? Key then colon a value, right? So let me create a small dictionary. Okay, fruit underscore color. So this dictionary is going to maintain a set of fruits names and the color of every fruit, right? So if I provide the fruit name, it will provide the color of that fruit. Now how to provide this? Actually, it's a key value pair enclosed within set of curly braces. So key value pair should be given as, for example, apple, then colon, right? Then value of this key or value corresponding to this key. So here the color is the value. So what's the color of apple? It is red, right? So let me take it as red. Now since this apple and red are strings, let us enclose them within double quotes, right? So like that. Next key value pair, for example, mango. Mango is the key and yellow is the name of sorry, color of this fruit mango. Okay, right. Let us have one more example. For example, right, orange, and its color is also orange, right? Now this is the way of creating a dictionary, right? One key and its value, and this is a pair of key and value and separated from another key value pair by using comma. Now let us display this or print this dictionary. So fruit underscore color. Let us run this program. Yeah. Now your dictionary is printed. So it's a collection of key value pairs, right? Separated by comma. Key value pairs separated by comma, right? And every key value pair is having one key and separated by a colon from its value corresponding to it. Now it's created. This is one way of creating a dictionary. There is another way of creating a dictionary. What is that is you can use a predefined dict function. You can use a predefined dict function and passing the value key value pair as its parameter. So this is what actually the purpose of this dict function. For example, here I am going to create a dictionary for my preferred car, Wagoner, right? And I create the dictionary for its details. So car Wagoner is the name of the dictionary and dict is the function call. And for this dict function, I am going to pass my key value pairs as parameter. And here this key value pairs should be passed in this format. Okay, what this format is? The name of the key as well as the value corresponding to that key and the values assigned to this name, okay, using assignment operator. So this is how I can create my dictionary. So let me create another dictionary for my preferred car Wagoner, and actually it is created by calling dict function, and dict function is a function as usual as like other regular functions. It's taking set of it's taking parameters. Here the parameter is the key value pairs separated by comma. So the name of the car is the first thing, and here it is for example Wagoner, right? Then comma, then brand, for example brand is actually the company that produces Wagoner is actually Maruti, right? So Maruti is the brand. The next one, the model. So model is actually the year of year of that particular car or year in which it is developed or it is manufactured. So model is equal to, for example, it is 2019 and it is registered in the year. That means registration is in the year 2020. Now the dictionary is created. Okay, now the dictionary is created and by calling the dict function, and let us check it. Let us run the code, or before that, let me print the dictionary I created. So print car Wagoner, and let me run the code. Now we created two dictionaries, one using the regular method, another is using the dict function. So you see, one is using the regular method, another is using the dict function. So now we discussed two important methods of creating dictionaries. Let us move to the next content. How to access the dictionary values, accessing the dictionary values. So once you create a dictionary, right, it should be capable enough to provide the values when you are accessing it, right? How can you access the dictionary values? Is normally in other sequence type data types like list or a string, right, or in tuple. So you have to access the particular data or value by passing the index. So index is a numerical identifier that is provided for every element in that list or tuple or a string. So let us try that too. Okay, let us try how to access, or what is the response from Python if you are trying to access a particular value by using the index. Let me assume that I am going to use, okay, I am going to use this dictionary for demo purpose, and I want to print for example the no color of mango. Okay, I want to print the color of mango, right? So mango is actually the second element. So in the regular methods, right, what we will do is we will use the index. So for example, if I assume that this is the first index 0, then this is the second index, that is 1. If I try to access fruit color of 1, that means I want to access the color of mango by giving its index. Let us check how this is responding. You see, it's showing an error. Okay, so key error, right? So because you cannot access an element into the element which is available in a dictionary, or a value available in a dictionary, by using index. So other data types like tuple, list, or strings supporting this, but dictionary is not supporting this, or supporting the way of accessing a value by giving index. Then how to access? How to access an array element? Okay, how to access an array element, right? The array element sorry, how to access the dictionary element is, a dictionary element can be accessed by using its key as its index. Instead of using the index, you can use the key. For example, if the syntax is the dictionary name, right, dictionary name, and the key for which, or the key you want to access, that means a value you want to access, the key of that value you want to access, that is what you have to provide as index, right? Now let us try to access a particular element, or let us try to access a particular value. Again, let us take the same example. I want to print the color of mango. In that case, I want to give mango as the index. That means the key value as the index, right? So now let me check it. You see, now it's printing the color of mango. That means the value is yellow, and the key corresponding to it is actually mango. So mango is the key and its value is yellow. So now it is printed properly. Okay, right. So this is how you can access an value. Okay, you can access a value from a dictionary. Now, suppose if you are trying to refer a key that is not in the dictionary, okay, if you are referring a key that is not in the dictionary, so what will happen? So let us try that too. Okay, what is the response of Python if you are not, if you are accessing, or if you try to access a key that is not available in the dictionary? For example, let me give one more thing. Kiwi, right? So here this is the name of the fruit. Okay, I want to find out, right? Now let me run it. Yeah, again the same error, key error, because this kiwi is not available in the dictionary, so it's responding with an error, key error. Kiwi is actually not available, right? So you cannot access, or you cannot access a particular value that is not available, or that is not available in that particular dictionary. Now let us move to the next content: adding entry to the dictionary. Okay, adding entry to the dictionary. So already a dictionary is having, already dictionary is having one okay, some entries. Okay, already dictionary is having some entries. Okay, you want to add some value to the dictionary. Okay, or otherwise the dictionary is empty and you want to add the values one by one. Okay, you want to add the values one by one. And how can you do it is actually by using this method. So dictionary of key equal to value. So when you are creating a dictionary fresh, that means incremental fashion. Okay, if you want to create the dictionary incremental fashion, that means first empty dictionary is created, then first key value pair is added, second key value pair is added, third key value pair is added. If you want to go in that fashion, then it's called incremental way or incremental fashion of creating a dictionary. That is also supported. But how to do it? So dictionary of, then within okay, you have to supply the key, then value corresponding to it. Let us create the dictionary okay, again core Wegener from the scratch. Okay, for example, let me close this, let me erase this now. Okay, right. Initially I am creating core Wegener and as empty dictionary. Now the empty dictionary is created. Okay, and what's next? I want to add the first element into that. I want to add the first key value pair into that. So how can you do it? Car Wegener. This is what the name of the dictionary. Then within set of square bracket, you mention the first key. For example, name. Okay, name is actually the string, and equal to car or equal to Wegener. Right. So now the first key value pair is added, right? And let us print. Okay, let us print the core Wegener dictionary. Let me run the module. Yes, now one element, one key value pair is added into the dictionary. Let us expand this dictionary by adding one more key value pair after this. So car Wegener or of, then within set of square brackets I want to mention a brand equal to Maruti. Right. Now second key value pair is added. So it's incrementally expanding, right? It's incrementally developed, not in a single stretch. So let me run it again. You see now the dictionary is expanded with two key value pairs, right? So now this is how you can incrementally develop the dictionary by adding new key value pairs in your dictionary. Okay, right. Now let us move to next content: updating an entry. Okay, updating an entry. So what is updating an entry is, already already the dictionary is containing one key value pair, and you want to give a new value for existing key, right? If you want to assign a new value for existing key, in that case you can use updation or updating an entry scheme or method, right? So here, how can I update my existing entry? For example, what I want to do is I want to use again the same syntax car Wegener, okay, car Wegener. Otherwise, let me print it one time. So after this, let me update it. So car Wegener, right? And now I want to change the value of okay, change the value of brand. Okay, I want to change the value of brand from okay, this is the key. I want to change the value of key brand from Maruti to Maruti Suzuki, for example. So Maruti Suzuki, right? Now let me print it again. So print car wagon car. So initially I created the the dictionary car Wagoner with two key value pairs in incremental fashion, right? Now I want to change the value of the key corresponding to the value of key brand from Maruti to Maruti Suzuki. So what's the procedure? Again, same thing, right? So use the dictionary name within set of square brackets, mention the key, then equal to, give the new value. Okay, give the new value. Now let us run the module. So run module. You see, initially it was having the brand name or brand value Maruti. Now, after updation, it's changed. Actually, key is still the same brand, but the value corresponding to that key brand is now changed to Maruti Suzuki. So this is how you can update the existing value of an entry, or existing update an existing entry, or updating an existing value of a key. Okay, right. Now let us move to the next content. Deleting an entry. So as we discussed, this dictionary can grow and shrink. So by using updation, or by using adding new key value pairs into that dictionary, you can grow it. Now you are going to shrink the dictionary. That means you are by deleting the existing entries. Okay, by deleting the existing entries. So Python supports deletion of an individual key value pair from the dictionary by using a del operator. So del operator can be used to delete an existing key value pair. So what is the syntax is del operator, del operator space, then dictionary name, then within a set of square brackets mention the key, which is our key that is corresponding to the key value pair that is to be deleted, right? So or the key entry that is to be deleted. So key that is to be deleted. So when key is deleted, automatically the corresponding value will also be deleted, right? So let us check this with an example, right? Now what I do is I do this okay, like this. Let me remove this. Now there are two entries in this dictionary. One is a name, and that is Wagoner. Then another one is brand, and that is Maruti Suzuki. Now once I print this, it will give this two key value pairs. After that, I'm going to delete the particular key. Okay, for example, brand. I want to delete this brand key. How can I do it? As I told you, del is the operator. Del is the operator that is used to delete a particular key entry from the dictionary. So del space, then the name of the dictionary. So car, wagon, or, and the key you want to delete. Okay, the key you want to delete, or the key which is going to be deleted, or the entry that is going to be deleted should be mentioned here. For example, I am going to delete brand from this dictionary, right? So that's all. So once it is deleted, again let us try to print the car Wagoner, and let us check whether this deletion updated or impacted in this dictionary. Let us run it again. Yes, initially the name Wagoner key value pair was there, then brand Maruti Suzuki key value pair was there. Now you see after deletion, the brand key value pair is completely deleted from the dictionary. So now only that, no, only key pair value, or only key pair entry available, key value entry available in this dictionary is name, and name Wagoner, right? So now this is how we can remove or delete a particular key value pair from the dictionary. Now let us move to the next content. Yes, the key in the dictionary can be of any type. As we already discussed, the key in the dictionary can be of any type. So it's not only limited to okay, integer, float, okay, or char, or integer, float, or otherwise a string, like that. Even the data types themselves can be considered as the key values, key types, right? So if you want to mention a key which is with the name int, it's possible, it's supported, right? Like that, float, it's supported, string, it's supported. So the data types in Python can also be considered as the key values. Okay, there's no problem at all. right? And the dictionary will be created without any issue, right? So this is an additional information. The type of key can be anything, or type of value can also be anything. Even the keywords or otherwise the names of the data types can also be considered as the types of the keys. Next, you can duplicate the values. Okay, you can duplicate the values. At the same time, you cannot duplicate the keys, because key is a reference by which you are accessing a particular value. Suppose if there are more than one value, more than one key with same, or more than one value with same key, then when you are trying to access a particular key, then which entry will be accessed? There will be confusion, right? So what is actually important is a key cannot be repeated in the dictionary, right? But at the same time, a value can be repeated. That means a value can be duplicated. At the same time, key cannot be duplicated. Let us assume one example. Okay, let us assume one example. As we discussed, we can take even the data types themselves as the types of the keys. For example, let me create a dictionary data types, then equal to, within set of curly braces, first I am giving int type as the key, and for example its number is 1. Then like that, float. Okay, then again let me give another value, for example 2. Then for example string, right? Then its number is 3. Then bool, its number is actually 4. Now let us try to print it. So print data types, and let us run it. Will this support using data types as the key types? Yes, of course. Or key values? Yes. Data types themselves can be used as key values. It's supported. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to have duplication of keys. As I told you, you can duplicate the values. It's not a problem. For example, let us check one more okay entry. Uh, for example char. Okay, this is not there, so that's why I'm using a string. So char, then for example again 4. You see already value 4 is available here. Again for another key char, I'm providing another same value 4, right? Let's check whether it is working or not. Yes, no problem at all, right? So it is accepting two or two key values with same, or two values with same value. That means two values can be of same. Okay. At the same time, if you are trying to have if you are trying to have two keys with same value, that means similar keys. Okay, this is one entry already available. One occurrence of this float is already available. This is the second occurrence of this float. Okay, even though the values are different, here 2, here 4, you see, as per the norms or as per the rule, one key cannot be duplicated. That means you cannot have same key two times in the dictionary. Okay, you cannot have same key two times in the dictionary. So what will happen? Will it create any error? No, not at all. So it will not create any error. Instead, what will happen is it will take the second entry. Okay, it will take the second entry. Suppose if the key is repeated in the dictionary at the time of creation, sorry, yes, current creation, that current occurrence. That means current occurrence means the last occurrence of that key will override the first. So the last occurrence of this float will be considered, and this first occurrence or the previous occurrences will not be considered. So when you are trying to duplicate the key in the dictionary, then what will happen is the lost occurrence of that key will be considered in the dictionary, or that will be added to the dictionary, and it will be replaced. It will replace the existing occurrence. Okay, right? And let us try whether both the entries are going to be there in this dictionary, whether float 2 and float 4 both are there in the dictionary. Let us check. Okay, so run module. You see integer 1, then float 4. What is actually float 4? Already we gave float 2 one time. Okay, we gave float 2 one time, right? and then we give float 4, but float actually the existing entry, okay, is replaced by new entry, or existing occurrence is replaced by new occurrence, or the last occurrence or current occurrence. So the current occurrence or last occurrence will override the first occurrence of the same key in the dictionary. So it will not create any error, but it will adjust by itself, right? Now let us move to the next content. Yes. Till now we discussed how to delete an individual key value pair from the dictionary. Okay, how to delete an individual key value pair from the dictionary, right? Now we can delete, or we can clear the entire content of the dictionary, and we can make it empty. That means we can clear, or we can flush completely the dictionary, right? And you can remove everything from the dictionary, and we can make it empty. So what you can do is you can use actually a clear method, but we are going to discuss clear method again, okay, in the list of methods. Now let me demo it at the same time. It's coming again later, okay, in the chapter or in the topic, okay, right? You can erase, or you can remove, or you can flush the complete content of dictionary by using clear function. How to call clear function? The dictionary name dot clear, that is what the syntax, right? Already we have a data types dictionary, okay, and we printed one time, and now let us clear it. So data underscore types, this is actually the name of the dictionary, dot, then clear, opening and closing parenthesis. Once you clear it, again you try to print it. So print data underscore types. Here you want to understand one thing, right? The dictionary is not deleted. Dictionary is still there. At the same time, the dictionary is empty. It's made empty. It's completely cleared. So this contents the content already we cleared into that dictionary is not there. No more there in that particular dictionary. Now let us check it. Run the program. Okay, run module. To see, initially it had all the content, so integer 1, float 4, then string 3, and okay, bool 4, again it was there. After clearing, after calling the clear method, right, it's completely cleared or flushed. That means there is no content in the dictionary, so it's made empty. So when you are printing second time, it's printing empty dictionary, right? So this is how you can clear the existing contents of the dictionary. Now, what's next? You can delete the dictionary at all. That means you can completely delete the dictionary. You can remove, you can delete a particular key value pair from the dictionary, or you can clear the entire content of the dictionary. That means you can remove or clear all the key value pairs in the dictionary, or you can delete the complete dictionary. You can delete, or you can make the dictionary completely unavailable. So that is also possible. What is the syntax is? Del, again del operator, right? Del operator and the dictionary name. Okay, del operator and the dictionary name, right? So let us try for it. Okay, so here already we created it and we printed once. After that we cleared the content, so it was made empty. Now let us delete that empty dictionary. Okay, so data underscore types dot, sorry, actually to remove or delete the dictionary you have to use del operator. So del space, then data underscore types, right? That's all. So once this statement is actually executed, automatically the dictionary will be made unavailable, or it will be completely deleted. So now let us print it again. Okay, data underscore types, and let us run it. Initially we made it and we printed it once with complete content, then we cleared it. Okay, so complete dictionary was made empty, and after that we deleted the dictionary itself, okay, or at all, right? So now let us run the program again. You see, initially the dictionary was there, so it is printed. After that, it was made empty, so empty dictionary was printed. And finally, you deleted the dictionary completely. So now we are trying to print it. It is giving the error, name, data types is not defined. That means it's erased completely. So you are trying to access a particular dictionary that is not available, right? So this is how you can delete the complete dictionary. Now let us move to the next content related to dictionary. That is dictionary methods or the various built-in methods that can be used with a dictionary. So I hope that you understood up to this content, and uh, let us have the discussion on the built-in or predefined dictionary methods in the next video, and please continue watching the next video that is related to the dictionary methods. I hope that you understood this content and keep practicing programming and keep practicing dictionary, and subscribe the channel Program for Programmers by Felix, and press the bell button for your notifications. Happy programming. Thank you.